Hello students, and welcome to today's quick little lecture on soil amendments and fertilizer for your land evaluation scorecard. Today what we're going to be identifying is the fertilizer and soil amendments numbers 27 through 31 and when you check them to prepare you for the CDE contest coming up in October. This little section on your scorecard uses the field information notes in the bottom right-hand corner of your scorecard. Though not used in scoring, are very important. To start us off, we need number 27, pH. pH is the measure of how acidic or alkaline soil is. Plants usually need soil to be between 6.5 and 8. If you get a pH number that is between 6.5 and 8, you do not check number 27. Number 28 is nitrogen, that is typically used for plant growth and how well the plant will grow structures like the leaves and the stems. With those particular leaves, stems, and roots, we need pH to be adequate. If it is deficient, we check number 28. If it is adequate, we leave number 28 blank. The next one we're going to be dealing with is another mineral identified as phosphorus, or the letter P. Phosphorus is usually used in plant reproductive structures heavily, and we need it to be at 61 pounds or more per acre. If it is less than 60 or equal to 60, we check number 29. The last one we're going to identify is K, or potassium. This is in pounds per acre, just like with phosphorus, and if it is at 250 or less, we check it. If it is over 250, we do not check number 30. We check 31 only if we did not check pH, because pH was between 6.5 and 8. Nitrogen was adequate. Phosphorus was 61 or above. Or potassium was 251 and above. All of these have to be at or above these levels for us to check number 31. For some practice, if our pH is 6.6, our nitrogen is deficient, phosphorus is 53, and potassium is 259, we would identify that our pH is 6.6, our phosphorus is 53, our nitrogen is deficient, and our potassium is 259. We would then look at these numbers, look at our reference numbers, and identify that we would check number 28 and check 29. We would leave 27, 30, and 31 blank. This concludes my explanation of choosing the correct boxes and levels for our letter D fertilizer and soil amendments on our land evaluation scorecard.